Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge layers using the Pixlr app. If you want to add more than one photo on the same photo using the layer feature, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo where you want to add the layer to. Then to add the layer, here you can find the option of tools, simply select it. Then here you can find the option of double exposure. Now go ahead and tap on it. Now tap the original photo where is the add original one. Now tap onto it. Then choose one photo that you want to add the layer of. Just like this. Now you can see there are two photos on the same layer. Just like this. Now you can adjust the photo wherever you want to add it. And that's it. This is how you can merge the layers in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.